Welcome to the observatory. Please look at the platform and enjoy the light show. The small orange light on the top is 64.
All right.
For your present ticket. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
お待たせしました。Sorry to keep you waiting.
Wow. My ears just popped.
Excellent.
60階天井回廊です。
And here we are.
下に参ります。
下に参りますからちょっと待ってよ。
Wow. There's the Osaka skyline. Don't quite realize how massive it is until you get to the top of a building like this, or you stay here for a few nights and do something different, and it feels like you're in a totally different city each day. Wow. Okay, and I guess that elevator goes down to the 58th floor and 59. Wow. There's one really cool little mini atrium. Really cool. Wow. You can see out into the bay a bit. that tower there. Probably gonna head there next. But wow, what an amazing, amazing view. I believe the zoo is over there, but it's closed today. Oh yeah, and you can see the Ferris wheel I was on a couple days ago. And that's the Dotonbori neighborhood. Just absolutely incredible. And here we are back at the elevators. I'm going to pause the video for now and resume when we get down to either the 59th or 58th floor. So now we're down on the 58th floor, and I just got done eating in that restaurant in there. I had a really good Japanese pork curry here. But anyway, now I am in the Sky Garden, which is pretty much totally empty right now, but it does look really nice though, and it's very peaceful, and I like the music and the vibe. Lots of places to sit, eat, enjoy the view. Really cool. And I think most likely when I resume, it's going to be when I head back down to the 16th floor where I got on, so that'll be it for now. We are now heading back down.
Going down.
これまたしっかり降りるときに右の木 OK。
16階
日本がそんなに
エントランスです。
ありがとうございます。足元お気をつけくださいませ。
There it goes. Here we are on the garden level. It's a lot hotter down here than it was in the Sky Garden. From here, you can see the rest of the building going up that way. It's really, really cool. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that will be it.